guys for watching. You guys okay? Yeah, it's been using TikTok. We are not okay. Yeah, you're right. We're still filming TikTok though. We just why won't this bacon stop sleeping? Like, come on, stop sleeping.